Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today we're talking about the multi-factor authentication that SunFire is going to require starting June 1st of 2025. We're going to walk you through how to go ahead and pre-register for this multi-factor authentication, as well as if you're watching this past June 1st, how to set this up. So first off, we're going to start by logging into our SunFire account. From the main page, we're going to go to our agent profile. You can get there by clicking the blue button at the top right or the gear icon in the lower left. From your agent profile, you'll scroll down to the very bottom under the signature, and you'll notice that there are three multi-factor authentication methods. These are the ones you can pre-register for to get ahead of the game so that when this is required on June 1st, you just use the multi-factor authentication form that you decide. The first is phone message. This is where the system will send you a text message that you input before you can log in, or they can give you a voice call as well. The second is a push notification, and this will be used by using a push notification such as AuthOGuardian, or a one-time password where you can provide a one-time password using an app such as Google Authenticator, and that's the one we'll be using in the demonstration today. The first method is going to be the phone message, so you would click Enroll, and this is where it will ask you to input your phone number in order to send you a text or a voice call. We'll say text message. We'll click continue. It will then send you a verification code. You'll need your phone handy so that you can input this code. And then we are all set. So I can close that. It now says that the phone message is my preferred method of authentication. We would save those changes, and then I can log out, and I would be ready to go. The second version of multi-factor authentication is going to be the push notification, and this requires an app called AuthOGuardian. You would need to download this from either the Google Store or the Apple Store. So we would click Enroll, and it will tell you that you need that here. I already have it on my phone, so I'm going to continue. It provides a QR code that you would, in the app, you would scan the QR code, and then you are all set. So it would send a notification to that app, the AuthOGuardian, and then you would scan the QR code and it would say you are all in. Again, save changes, and that says agent profile has been saved. The third form of authentication is going to be a one-time password using Google Authenticator or something similar. And I would recommend Google Authenticator. It is a great application. And so you would click Enroll there. You would need to download that from the App Store. And then with the Google Authenticator, you would scan the QR code as well. And then it would give you a code in which to enter into the platform. It is time sensitive. If you do not do it in enough time, it will time out and send you a new one. But this is, you can see, all set. So we would then save the changes. Our agent profile is saved. So that is setting up the multi-factor authentication. It is not required until June 1st, but if you can set that up before then, you will save yourself time and aggravation on the day of the change. Choose one of those three methods, the text method, the AuthOGuardian methods, push notification, or the Google Authenticator authentication method. Whichever one you choose is going to be just fine, but you do have to choose one, and that does start June the 1st. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your sales development manager here at National Contracting Center. We can get those questions answered ASAP. Thank you so much. Have a great day.